Hi there. I have some good news for you. If you're a woman or a teenage girl, watch this full video to get all the details. Just about everybody knows about waist beads. They're becoming more and more popular. So many women are wearing them. So why don't you benefit from it? I'm going to let you know about two options that can put money in your purse from waist beads. The first option is to become an independent distributor. Order the waist beads designs and styles that you like, sell them online or at events. We have courses available that include bead history, marketing plans, and selling strategies. This is not a MLM. You are your own boss and you work when you want. The second option is to become an independent contractor. You must live in or near Dallas, Texas, Houston, Texas, Atlanta, Georgia, or New Orleans, Louisiana. No experience is necessary. Free training provided. You can select your own days and hours that you want to work. If you're seriously interested in option 1 or 2, we're ready to help you get started. Please email contact@thecraftswombman.com. Hurry, because we only have a few slots open.